Hi, this is Laura again, Lala Sparks Art. Here again today to make coasters, and we are making blue, white, and silver. I personally like blue, white, and silver for Christmas. My Christmas tree is, and decorations are blue, white, and silver. So, in the spirit of Christmas, we are making those today. And so here I've just poured in resin, blue and white simultaneously. I'm just making sure that I have enough in each coaster or in each mold. I use makeup powder as usual to mix in my resin. And the resin, you can see the shimmer. I love makeup powder because of how shiny it looks when you're using it. And it kind of does its own thing too. So every time I'm using this, I don't know what's going to happen. I know what I'm doing, but I don't know what's going to happen when it's dry and has actually taken its time to bake. So I'm adding in the silver right now. Now that I have enough blue, enough white, I'm adding in some silver. I'm going to add a couple strokes of silver here before we start doing a little bit of the decor. As you see, I applied the heat before putting in the silver because I didn't want the silver being all too heated up and sort of going all over the place. I mixed some floating silver and some silver paste. So it's going to start floating to the surface soon because of that silver floating powder that I used. So I'm just adding in all the silver here. And making sure that I use everything in the cup because, again, I don't like to waste, and I'm learning that there's so many ways you can use stuff instead of wasting it. Art supplies are not cheap, they're expensive. So here I'm just making sure that everything that's kind of leaked is used, and then we start our decor. So as you can see here, we are making the decorations using my popsicle stick. Just spreading that silver to make pretty designs. I think my favorite part of art is when I'm making designs, the pouring is pretty too, but when I'm making designs as an artist, I really enjoy that part. So that's what I'm doing here. Just making sure that the designs are consistent and pretty. I hope you love this as much as I do. I can't wait to demold it and see what it does after it's hardened. That will be tomorrow, and I'll show you how it looks. Let me give you a close look of how it looks when I'm done, but we'll see how it does tomorrow. Thank you. See you soon.